guys, welcome back. I ordered this from Neiman Marcus and it's something very special. So yeah, let's open this up. So here is the first one. This is the card holder and it's in black with gold hardware. It has the back pocket. Here is the price. Serial number is all the way in the corner. Okay, I don't think you can see that. And it's made in France. The leather, it feels pretty nice. Oh, I actually like it a lot. Pretty compact. Okay, so that is the first one. And here you go. So this is the second box. It's the receipt for both. Ta-da! It's a black mini Coco handle. This one is in shiny gold hardware versus the other one that I have is more of a H gold hardware. Here is the chain. So yeah, I sold my other one already because I'd rather have the shiny gold hardware than the H gold hardware. So, oops, shoot. Okay, that's the price for that. And yeah, it's in black. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, that is it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
You got it going on, I'll be there in a heartbeat. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah, I got a love line. And ooh yeah, got my heart out and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good, oh baby. baby. Tough drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart got me going on.